People have lots of reasons for not managing their money properly, and a few of those reasons are valid, but most of them are just bad excuses for being lazy and not wanting to do the research. What's up, guys? My name is Josh and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to cover the 5 biggest money lies that you need to stop telling yourself. And if you're new to the channel and you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and all things related to your finances, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you care about your financial future, go ahead and obliterate that like button. I would really appreciate it. Lie number 1, that money changed people. Money doesn't make you good, bad, or anything in between. It simply amplifies what you already are. If you intend on doing bad things, money will allow you to do bad on a larger scale. If you intend on doing good things, money will let you do those good things on a larger scale. It's almost taking a brick, because money is only a tool, just like a brick would be a tool. That same brick would be used to break in a car, to break a window, or that same brick can be used to build a school or a hospital. It's that intent that's behind the money that will make the difference on making something good or bad. So look here, money do not change people, it just shows who they really are. Lie number 2, if I just try harder, I can save more money. We all know we need to save more money. It's almost the same way we know we need to exercise more, we need to eat healthier, we need to stop swearing so much. Simply trying harder, you won't succeed. In order to see results, you actually need to sit down and have a conversation with yourself about what needs to be done. Your good intentions will never pan out in this area. You have to be proactive to make sure that things are happening. Instead, you need to set up a auto deposit into your savings account, and that way when you get paid, money will automatically go to your savings account and you don't have to touch that money because you can't spend what you never had. Lie number 3, investing is for the rich. Anyone, even you, can invest, and it's one of the best ways to grow your wealth. I have long-term investments, but I also have short-term investments with Robinhood. And the great thing, and the one thing I love about Robinhood, is that you can buy fractional shares in a company. A fractional share is when you own less than one whole share of a company. Fractional shares will allow you to purchase stocks based on the dollar amount that you would like to invest. So if you only just say have $10 and you wanted to invest that $10 in a company, you can do that. However, even if the whole share of the company is $500. And with Robinhood, I love this part too. There is no fees, and you can use my special link in the description box below, and you can receive a free stock value up to $500. Because every day that you don't invest, you are actually losing money to inflation. And you will never realize that until later in your life when you're like in your 70s or 80s, which at that point, it might be just a little bit too late. Lie number 4, cash is king. In some cases, you might be able to get a discount for using cash that originally you wouldn't get if you were using another option, making cash the better option. But using cash for most purchases will leave you with almost no recourse if something should go wrong or something should happen. Now, I'm not saying go out there and rack up debt and get all of these payments coming out of your ears, but with major purchases, I will normally use a debit card. Cards extend all type of protections, extended warranties, fraud protections, and also additional insurance on things like travel. And if your card is stolen, you can cancel it and the company will sort all of that out for you. If your wallet full of cash is stolen, you're out of luck. Lie number 5, carry a small credit card balance in order to increase your credit score. Now, I don't know where that came from, but that's a big lie. It actually sounds like that's something that a lender told a borrower just to collect more interest. You should always pay your balance off in full every month. That is the way that you raise your credit score. And there are other ways to build and maintain good credit, but leaving a balance on one of your cards is not one of them. And here's a lie. Saving money will make you rich, and I explain why that's a lie and it's not true in the top video right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.